Hey guys, I'm Josh Schaecher from Rockstar Energy Husqvarna off-road race team, and I'm Colton Haaker's mechanic. We are using the Rekluse slave cylinder on all of Colton's bikes now. It's 300s and 350s, mainly because it's the best one we've found to use. Being a billet piece and having less friction inside is, I think, giving us that edge on having a nice, steady clutch feel for a 15-lap main event here at EndurCross. Once we put the Rekluse slave on, we solved some issues we were having. We started using it at the end of last year. He's used it in extreme enduro successfully all year. You know, our partners over in Austria turned us on to the Rekluse manual system. I think they started using it just a little bit before us. And you know, when you see Graham Jarvis winning Erzberg 5 times, you know it's good.